Whether you're running a one-bay shop or a multi-bay operation, you know that time is money. And so saving time by increasing efficiency in the bay, which is something that Victor and I talk about all the time in the field, it's always a big priority. In this episode, we're going to focus on our complete control arm solutions.
This is the front loader control arm for a Chevy Equinox. As you can see, this comes complete right out of the box with the ball joint installed and includes this large rear bushing.
This isn't typically included, is it? If you were to get this somewhere else, this wouldn't be the case.
No, you would actually have to buy this as a separate component at an additional cost.
Now, if you're going to replace this control arm and you didn't have this, Victor, what's the alternative?
Well, let's say the vehicle came in with a bad ball joint. In order to get this ball joint off, you'd have to grind out and drill out these rivets, then replace the ball joint and bolt it and torque it up to the required specification.
That sounds like about an hour and a half worth of work.
Yeah, and you haven't even addressed the other two bushings.
Yeah, so if that customer comes back the next week or in a few months because the bushings have now gone, then what?
Exactly. With these complete control arm solutions, you can change out the entire arm in the same, if not less time, with the added bonus of all new components, saving the technician and the customer time and money.
So how much time are we talking about with this?
Well, you could literally save up to about an hour of work.
Well, it sounds like a simple choice to me, Victor. You save steps, you save time, and you save money.